Hi, my name is Myra Cantu. For assignment number 3, I decided to review and talk about Cosmos Learning Systems. Cosmos Play and Learn software is a family of educational and computer games that aim to entertain children of developmental ages 2 to 8 years and teach math skills. Children empower a virtual robot to explore new adventures in a playground filled with activities by utilizing the specially developed analog functionality of Mission Control. Mission Control is a versatile computer access device designed for children who do not use a standard keyboard and standard mouse. The child uses Mission Control to control computer games by applying different amounts of pressure to the 4 large AFFX. The audience for this assistive technology is for students who are in early elementary and intermediate elementary school. Cosmos Learning System targets students who have autism, emotional disturbance, orthopedic impairments, specific learning disabilities, speech or language impairments, and major other health impairments. Cosmos Learning Systems is compatible for both Windows and Mac computers. Cosmos Learning Systems utilize Mission Control, and it is a computer interface device that enables a child's interaction with Cosmos Play and Learn software. Cosmos Learning System includes Playground Discovery, which is a software program that motivates the child with entertaining activities that are designed to meet individual goals. I provided the link above where you can click and it will take you straight to the website if you are interested in becoming a member or simply want more information. The cost for Cosmos Learning System ranges from $100 to $500. I would recommend the Cosmos Learning Systems to a special education classroom because it is a software that motivates the child with entertaining activities that are designed to meet individual goals. This software will help students that have different learning disabilities be able to learn math through fun games and activities. Cosmos Learning Systems has cool features for teachers and students such as the Cosmobot games, and those are a fun way to engage students in the lessons, and you are able to track their progress. And you can also print out several worksheets that you can hand out to your students, and Wordles are an interactive way that helps students read and spell words. Now I will go over the pros and cons of Cosmos Learning Systems. Some of the pros are that there are adjustable skill levels, multiple activities and levels, multiple user profiles, student and teacher controlled. You can store data to progress the students' work. Practice and reinforcement activities are available and is useful for students with and without disabilities. The only con that I would say about Cosmos Learning System is that it's very expensive. Although it's a very useful program, it's very expensive and not all the schools will have the ability to financially get this program.